Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be giving this snow globe a complete French country inspired makeover. I'm going to take the base from plain and boring and turn it into something charming and antique looking. So here is a more in-depth look of the before. The globe itself is really adorable, but I want to give the base a much better look. So I'm going to start off with adding a thin layer of air-dried clay around it, spreading it out with water, making sure it's as even as I could get it because the texture is very bumpy.
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know where we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like
And now I'm going to push the little lumps of clay into the mold the way I can make sure that all of the spheres are the same size. And I'm adding them directly to the toes on the claw feet to make sure that they're more defined.
we keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like faster and faster.
Okay, so we got the main structure done. We have the little emphasis on the claw feet. And of course the center here. I'm going to repeat this on the back of the globe. And then I'm definitely thinking of adding these little roses to the sides. That way it's not just blank over here after we finish the rest of it. And I think I'm going to be adding some of these leaves, making them much smaller, maybe chopping off parts of these ones. That way it's not just a blank flower. So now that we have this part done, let's go ahead and start making the back of the globe. Unfortunately, the back side isn't going to be completely identical because it has 3 legs. And honestly, I should have planned more ahead because I could have just done the design in each of the little grooves, how it goes down in between each leg. But my design is a little too big for that. So I'm just going to put it on the back and then continue from there.
on the wall, staring back at me. Stranger in the hall, frozen by the scene. Portrait seemed to fade, he lost his centerpiece. Can't recall his face, I hope he'll rest in peace. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today. Everything is fine, take me to my grave.
Now we got the base all done. Now I just have to wait for all of it to fully dry, and then I'll paint all of it and we'll have the final reveal. So after it dried, I went ahead and primed it all. That way we could go ahead and start painting. So I'm going to start off with painting the base this nice cameo pink.
Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today.
And it's done! We have our finished globe. It turned out so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end. I hope this video gave you a little inspiration to take something ordinary and turn it into something beautiful, magical, and uniquely your own. Giving the snow globe a makeover was so much fun, and I love how cozy and vintage it feels now. If you enjoyed crafting with me today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what kind of DIYs you'd love to see next. I would love to see your ideas and suggestions. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!